Byblos, Lebanon, the city of books. Byblos, located on the Mediterranean coast, is believed to have been continuously inhabited for around 7,000 years. Known as the City of Books, Byblos is said to be the birthplace of the Phoenician alphabet, a precursor to the alphabet used today. This fascinating city is a place where you can stroll along ancient ruins with the sounds of the modern Mediterranean all around. The iconic Byblos Castle, built by the Crusaders, stands as a testament to the city's complex history. Exploring the castle and its surrounding ruins, you'll come across traces of various civilizations, from the Phoenicians and Egyptians to the Romans. The city's ancient harbor, still operational, is a beautiful spot for both relaxation and reflection on its centuries-old role in maritime trade. In the heart of Byblos, traditional stone houses and bustling souks add a vibrant, lived-in feel to the historical landscape. Visitors often remark on how seamlessly Byblos blends ancient and modern life, where cafes, artisan shops, and ruins coexist in harmony. Byblos invites you to immerse yourself in a city that celebrates its past while embracing the present.